Alright, for the end of the year, we want to make sure that we have all of our technology working and accounted for. For the iPad, do you remember where it is? Do you remember where the charger that came with it is? If you plug the iPad into the charger, does it hold a charge, and are you able to turn it on? Once we know that, do you remember your passcode and your Apple ID? Your passcode is going to be a 4 to 6 digit code that you use to log into the iPad. Your Apple ID is going to be the username and password you use to log into the App Store. If you forget either or both of these, you can let me know. I'm able to sort it out. If you're one of the teachers that's giving back the iPad, we will either need the Apple ID and passcode from you with the iPad, or you can take off the passcode and Apple ID before you give it to us. First one's pretty self-explanatory. Second one, I'll show you how to do now. For the passcode, you're going to want to go to Settings. Then if you scroll down, you're going to have the option Touch ID and Passcode. For older versions of iPad OS, it might just be passcode. Of course, you gotta enter it. Then, once you're here, you just need to click on Turn Passcode Off. Then if you turn off, it may ask you to enter the passcode again, but if you're at this point, you already know it. For the Apple ID, you need to go up to the top where it has your name, should also have your email. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you're gonna have the option Sign Out. It'll have you enter the Apple ID password, so you enter that down here. Then you click Turn Off. I'm not going to log out of that because it had me enter my password. And that'll get you out of the passcode and the Apple ID and have your device ready for turn-in.